What we're going to do now is look at a sharps cleanup kit. Now this is a boxed unit, it's one that we sell. Now you can also have the individual components, so if you don't want to have the actual kit complete, you can have components, but it's always a good idea to keep this in one place. So if there's an area that you need to clean up any sharps, then this is really what this kit does. The problem with sharps is you can't just pick them up with your fingers or even in a gloved hand, and you need to be able to dispose of needles safely. So if you've got needles around outside your offices or home and you need to clean them up, this is the type of thing. So inside the kit, it's just a simple kit, open it up, and there's lots of things. So to start with, there's a few pairs of gloves. Gloves are vital if you're handling anything. So remember, you need to put the gloves on correctly and also remove them correctly so they turn inside out, and then dispose of them correctly. Also in the kit is a box to actually put the needles in. So what this is a little box, the top just flips up. You can put the needles into the kit, keep it nice and safe, and then just close that off and then dispose of that correctly. Also in here are some tweezers, so you can use those to pick up anything that is on the floor, so for example a needle on the floor, or it could be in the workplace. We're saying these could be recreational drug use, but it could also be within the workplace should once someone ejected they dropped it for whatever reasons in the medical setting. So the tweezers are there as well, so you can have with your gloved hand use the tweezer to pick up the needle and then pop it into the pot. Be really careful when you're doing that, because if you are trying to push something in there and you're holding this in your hand, you don't want to accidentally spike the needle through your hand. So you do need to be very careful to secure it and actually be able to pop it in. But it's very simple to go, it just literally goes into that hole. Also in here are some wipes. The wipes are just used again to clean up areas that should there be any blood or any bodily fluids there, you can clean them up safely. And the final thing in the kit are some waste bags. So these are small waste bags. Now you wouldn't want to put sharps in these, but they could be used for putting your gloves in, or if you've used the wipes and you're going to clean up an area, you can put those in here. And then on the back is just a self-seal strip, so you just peel off the backing, fold it down, and then all the stuff's in there safe and it's clearly identified. So once you have cleaned something up, you're going to need to dispose of the bag, and you need to dispose of the plastic pot, and then you're going to need to restock this kit. So with us, you can buy any of these components individually, or sometimes it's easier just to buy another kit, especially if you've ended up getting this kit quite dirty while you've been using it.